Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can solve the problem of Instagram not allowing you to use a music in your region. And for that, open up your Instagram, and after opening up your account, you can switch your personal account to a professional account, and after that you will be able to use different kinds of music on your Instagram. But sometimes the problem still persists, so for that all you have to do is just screenshot your problem, and wherever it is written that you are not able to use Instagram's music in your region, so after taking the screenshot, go to your settings and then click on this option of help, and then click on report a problem. Here click on report a problem and just upload the screenshot that you took and explain your problem to the Instagram, and Instagram will reach out to you within few hours and will be able to help you, and your problem will be get solved. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.